how would you motivate a person who's addicted to alcohol, whom you have become aware of this issue in your patient? How would you motivate the person? How important it is to motivate that person to come into treatment, to take help for the core issue of the addiction, which is
So,
causing all the other issues in his or her life.
right. So, I mean, I'm fortunate enough now, after so many years, that more than an orthopedic surgeon, I have become like a orthopedic family physician to many families. So, from that perspective, since I know them for years, or even if those who have come fresh to me, but they have known me through someone else, I tell them that, look, those you have come to me for a specific trouble, but understand the source of the trouble. If you're not going to stop the source, whatever else you do is not going to fructify. I tell them this very regular example that you have a leaking ceiling and you have continuous drops of water falling where you are working. So once you wiped it with a towel, next time you kept a person, third time you brought a machine, fourth time you brought a robo. But what the hell? Why are you spending so much money and getting frustrated? Just go up, stop that leakage, just repair that. Go to the source of the trouble. So I tell them that your source of the trouble is your inability to control yourself, your emotions, your depression, and then the need to take alcohol or whatever substance. The source is there. Why don't you change that source? With that source, everything else will fall back into place, because of this, your wife is frustrated, or because of this, your son is not talking to you, or because of this, you are always shouting at people. And then you end up coming to my clinic and I have to give you medicines and you say, Har baar kya medicine dete ho? So why don't we go to your base, treat what is the cause, treat the origin. If the origin gets solved, everything else, which is a cascade effect, will just disappear. What is stopping you from there? Those who have been able to get that click and say, ha, have met me after a few years and said, boss, वो दिन कुछ तो हुआ और मुझे समझा कि मैंने कुछ करना था. And I changed that, and now everyone speaks to me well, and now I am also off all this. So yeah,
Right.
and those who have not been able to are still continuing to come to me and keep on wailing.
One has to treat the core issue first. Then everything else is only a symptom of that one core issue, which is actually an emotional unmanageability, which when one has started consuming alcohol, one feels better with the consumption initially, but then it only proceeds to pain and more pain eventually till it reaches the addictive use, which is extremely painful. Then one needs to use to keep away the pain. Now, treating that core issue of the alcoholism, of the addiction to the substance, and there wherein we are not treating the substance, but we are treating the person using that substance, which is the most important factor that we all need to understand, that it is the individual that needs help. And that is where the right solutions are required to be approached and to be acknowledged and to be used, like a residential program, which is non-medical, which is completely voluntary, because it is extremely important that that individual is agreeable to receiving help, to accepting
Correct. Correct.
and also helping the family simultaneously with the family therapy, which is what our program at Anatta incorporates on a whole. It's a holistic program wherein we treat the entire family, including the person addicted to the substance. We, in fact, act as bridges between family members, which relations have been destroyed because of the long-term consumption.